Hello everyone, and welcome back. So after 10 days of port stay in Iraq, we are finally ready to sail out. The pilot is scheduled in another 1 hour, so I have to go down to the engine room and prepare the engines. Meanwhile, I must tell you, this 1 week of port stay was quite nice. The weather is very pleasant here in Iraq, and also I got the chance to purchase some Iraqi food. Let me show you right here. This is Iraqi dates loaded with sesame seeds, and there's also some unique Iraqi spices on top. Very tasty, very healthy. I will recommend 10 out of 10 to anyone who's visiting Iraq. So let's quickly head to engine room and prepare the engines. Let's go. Again, as always, the walk down is really torturous. An elevator will be very convenient. So I just went to the cargo control room CCR and it was visibly empty, which means everyone is fired up and present in the bridge. Pilot could arrive anytime, at any moment, but I was told earlier that pilot is at 0100 hours. It's 1200, so let's go and quickly prepare the engines. Come on. The engines are all set. Hello everyone. So as you saw earlier, we sailed out from Iraq and now we are in international waters, and now the tank cleaning operations are going on here because the next cargo which we are going to load is jet fuel, A1 jet, and our last cargo was gasoline, so the tanks must be washed and prepared accordingly for the next cargo. So let me show you what goes on in engine room here during tank cleaning operations. During tank cleaning, the inert gas is always running and providing inert gas to prevent a flammable atmosphere from developing inside the tanks. All the 3 generators are running because all the electric power packs are running. Hey everyone, so I just finished my watch and our vessel is now drifting off coast Kuwait. As you can see, it's almost evening and the weather is quite pleasant. It's overcast, but there's a slight breeze. Let me show you. it's almost 1800 hours, and that means it's time for dinner. And after dinner I'll go to gym by 2000 hours, and then I'll take some rest because we are having 6 on 6 off watch, and I will have to report back to engine room at midnight. So let's go. Hey guys, so it's 2100 hours and it's time for me to head to the gym. We have a small gym here. It's fairly equipped. We have a exercise bicycle and some weights here and there. Good enough to carry out some, decent exercise. Not very high tech, but good enough for amateurs like myself. I try to exercise for at least 1 hour every day for like 5 days a week. I skip exercise on Saturday and Sunday, so I should definitely head to gym. So let me show you the gym on board here. Let's go. So guys, this is the gym. We have a bicycle, a rowing machine, and there's weights here, multi-purpose machine, a yoga mat, and this is for doing pull-ups and various other exercises. We also have a weight pulley. We connect the wire here and use it as a weight. Functional, we could say functional for basic exercises for any fitness freak. Hey everyone, welcome back. So it's day 2 since we departed from Iraq, and right now gas filling operations are going on board. Before gas filling, the tank cleaning was taking place here. Since our last cargo was gasoline and our next cargo is going to be even jet or jet fuel, the tanks need to be washed and prepared to load jet fuel. Since jet fuel is a very sensitive and very expensive cargo, the tanks will have to be well prepared. Now, before the tanks are prepared, the tanks first need to be washed. When the tanks are being washed, the cargo tanks, the tanks are supplied with inert gas, and which helps in purging out any hydrocarbon vapors that will be present inside the tanks. Once the hydrocarbon vapors come below the lower explosive limit, then the fresh air is introduced in the tanks, and then after the tanks can be opened, and once after fresh air is introduced and oxygen content in the tank atmosphere is above or about 21%, then man entry can be made, and then crew goes down inside the tank and they will mop dry the tanks or whichever way it's suitable. After the tanks are completely dried up, then the tanks are secured again, and then IG will be supplied to the tanks to inert them and to remove any oxygen that will be present inside the tanks. So for last 2 days, inner purging and gas spraying was going on, and now it's almost time that we will start inerting again. So I'll take you to the inert gas. I will show you how to start the inert gas generator and ready the plant for. Hey guys, as you can see, this is the IGG main control panel. Earlier the IG was running in air venting mode, it was only venting, and now the IG is running in IG mode, so it's trying to supply inert gas. It's going to supply inert gas to the cargo tanks, to the consumers, so that tanks can be inerted. Right now the oxygen content is quite high and it is coming down slowly, So once the oxygen content is below 5%, then the alarm will go and the valve to the consumers can be operated. So let's see. Hey everyone, so after 2 days we are finally in Kuwait. We are in a port called Mina Abdullah, and let me show you some visuals. As you can see, so guys, we'll be here for 2 days, and we will be heading to Mediterranean Sea after loading this cargo for discharge via Suez Canal. The discharge port hasn't been confirmed yet, but it could be anywhere in the Mediterranean Sea or English Channel, right? Coast of France or UK. So I hope you like this video, and I will see you soon in the next